Hi, I'm Dr. Jenny Kraft. I have been at Bloomsburg Veterinary Hospital since 1991. I graduated from veterinary school in 1989 from Cornell University, and this place has been home since '91. I was one of those kids that was always fixing their stuffed animals and finding the birds and the critters outside. But it truly was through my involvement with the local 4-H program and cooperative extension, where I did a lot of animal and livestock projects and just felt that was the place where I should be. Phil Collins, Genesis, closely followed by Fleetwood Mac, but Christy McVie, not so much Stevie Nicks. My first job was for a local trap and skeet hunting club where I would pull trap and I set the clay birds in the trap houses and the skeet houses. Well, we have a dairy farm, so that doesn't leave much time besides being a veterinarian and working on the farm because there's always something to do at the farm. But I would describe us as a very outdoorsy family, so we're always hiking or hunting or fishing. I like to run. I've run a few half marathons, and I try to improve on my garden and flower beds every year. I think the best part about being a veterinarian is that no 2 days are ever the same. It's always changing. You're always looking at developing new treatment plans, seeing new patients, seeing new clients, following up on old cases. And I think that's the best part, is it doesn't get old. It's always changing and it's always different. This was probably the easiest question, and my husband actually answered it before I could as I was reading the questions off. Soup, any kind of soup. Any kind at all. It could be 100 degrees outside and I'd still want to have a bowl of soup. I feel just very honored and privileged to be part of this team of doctors, veterinarians that work here. Everybody has their own specialty and things that they like to do, and because of that, they're always looking at the new advances and the new technologies and bringing it to the table. We are a very close-knit team. If you ever needed advice or guidance, somebody is always there, and I'm just privileged to be part of this high quality team. I started with the basic soccer and field hockey and basketball as I was growing up, and then when I hit college, everything got converted to playing rugby, and I played rugby at Cornell for 7 years for my undergrad and when I was in veterinary school. My role model is my dad, who passed about 4 years ago. He was very accepting of anybody, and his way of looking at life was you just had to pursue and follow your dreams, and it might change from time to time, but he always instilled confidence and independence in all 3 of his daughters to just go forward and nothing is out of your reach. So my dad is my role model.